Hey guys, once again welcome back to Junaid Techwala. In today's video, I will show you how we can edit our videos with the help of AI text-based video editing in the Filmora. Yes, in Filmora we have this amazing feature with the help of we can edit videos with the help of text. So basically, what it will do, guys, it will convert our video into the text. Select your video, click to this feature. I am from India and made this video in English, so I have chosen here English India. Okay, click on generate. So it will take some time to convert this video into the text. As you can see, one more dialog box is up here. So whole video is converted into the text. Here you can remove particular lines, particular words, whatever you want. Maybe you have recorded same multiple lines and you want to remove those areas. For example, I want to remove this particular section, so just select it and click del. That's it. You can see how we can edit our videos. So this is a way you can edit your videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.